The Yangtze River Basin is the most important economic area of China. Jiangyin City, which is located on the south bank of the Yangtze River, enjoys an ideal geographical position and strong economic development advantages, and it has become the bellwether of local Chinese economies for many years. Chengxing Group, named after the short name of Jiangyin, Cheng, dazzles in the Chinese private chemical industry area. It always keeps on making progress, building dreams, creating values, and serving a greater life. For 30 years since it was founded, Chengxing has focused on chemical research and development, production and operation. With over 50 branches and investment spreading over 18 domestic and overseas cities, plus product sales covering over 70 countries and regions, Chengxing sets foot in various industries like phosphorus chemicals, petrochemical, coal chemicals, and others. Chengxing's annual revenue topped $6.4 billion in the year of 2013, ranked in the top 500 enterprises of China for each of the past 12 years, and rose to be the 52nd private enterprise of China in 2013. Chengxing Phosphate is such a pleasant name. It was started from a phosphorus pentoxide workshop by 13 peasants with $6,091 loan in the 1980s. Through perennial elaboration, Chengxing's fine phosphorus chemical has become the leader in our domestic industry. Our industrial grade, food grade, medical grade, and electronic grade phosphoric acid and other phosphate products have penetrated into people's daily life, both in China and around the world. From mine to yellow phosphorus, from thermal power to hydropower, from railway tank cars to ocean-going vessels, from a 10,000 DWT jetty to bulk storage tanks, from domestic market to overseas market, Chengxing has successfully formed a complete phosphorus chemical supply chain. By implementing the integration of production supply marketing and research operation trade, Chengxing has become a designated supplier to many well-known international brands. Chengxing Phosphorus Chemical Industrial Zone has begun to take shape in Qinzhou, Guangxi, which will be the third opportunity for the booming of our Chengxing phosphorus chemical industry. When Chengxing shares went public in 1998, it established the special status of Chengxing in the field of phosphorus chemical industry in China. President Li Xing has since been elected to be the Vice President of China Petroleum and Chemical Industry Association and President of Phosphorus and Phosphoric Products Branch of China Minmetals Chemical Import and Export Chamber of Commerce. In pursuit of excellence, to create a first-class company. In the ever-changing chemical industry field, Chengxing successfully invested in the petrochemical and coal chemical industries. Considering for the long term, transforming for excellence, Chengxing has set foot in emerging industries such as new energy, new materials, modern trade, and modern logistics, etc. Petrochemical industry taking the lead. The establishment of PET, PTA, and other upstream projects will create new industrial chains for Chengxing, and it will also lay a solid foundation for Chengxing marching towards the goal of a 100 renminbi level sales revenue group and even a 100 billion renminbi level sales revenue petrochemical division. Looking forward, the 2.2 million tons per year PTA expansion project has started construction. Shining Chengxing, the 6 million tons of heavy oil to aromatics project is about to start, which sets root in Nangang Industrial Zone, Tianjin. Chengxing is developing very fast, entering the upgraded model. Green Chengxing, harmonious nature. Stick to scientific development and green economy. Wish the stars in the sky are brighter and dreams in people's mind clearer. We not only pursue economic development, but place more emphasis on environmental protection. Our enterprise spares no effort and bears all responsibilities to save energy, reduce emissions, realize recycling economy, and utilize resources comprehensively. Talents are fundamental for enterprises' development. Develop the enterprise through products, reinvigorate it through science and technology, and strengthen it through human resources. Cheng Xing sets the development strategy, attaches importance to building talents mechanism, and implements the leading innovations. With independent research and development, Cheng Xing brought the new range of products to fill in the blanks of the chemical industry and enrich people's life. Guided by the enterprise culture, gathered by mental efforts, the song of Cheng Xing tends to linger. To create first-class products, to dedicate true love, and keeping innovative, pursuing perfection. Such concept and spirit of Cheng Xing is the soul of the enterprise culture, boasting endless charm. Doing business also needs to fulfill its social responsibility. Wealth comes from the society and should in turn benefit the people, which is the value of Cheng Xing staff. In 2007, Cheng Xing Group donated $3.2 million to establish the Cheng Xing Charity Caring Fund. Cheng Xing has supported the Cheng Xing female football team of No. 2 Middle School in Jiangyin for over 10 years, which has sent several players to the national team. Cheng Xing also donated $800,000 to the Yangchang Middle School in Xuanwei, Yunnan, to establish a scholarship fund. Over many years, Cheng Xing Group has totally donated over $16.03 million for social benefits. Gu Xiulian, director of China Next Generation Working Committee, visited Cheng Xing in 2012 and placed great expectations on Cheng Xing. Time flies, but our faith is eternal. Cheng Xing has determined to make a glorious future for hundreds of years. We have big ambitions, broad minds, and strong beliefs. After 30 years, Cheng Xing becomes mature, and its headquarters building is about to tower in the city sky. Seizing the opportunities and facing the challenges directly, Cheng Xing's effort is not only for today's development, but also for a better tomorrow.